everybody, I'm Slick Gaming DJ, and today we're playing Cat Around Europe, and welcome to part 2. Enjoy the video. So last time, we left off in Netherlands, and we left off on level 15. Let's do it. Last time. So Alright guys, I think this should be good. Okay, let's go. Okay, now get this. Alright guys, we completed Netherlands. Alright, next level. Alright, what we did in Netherlands, we got 3 stars. Yep, we did level 11 to 14 in part 1. So guys, we got 2 stars level 15, so let's go on now. Level 16, guys. This is Great Britain. Yep, this is Great Britain. Oh, dang it, we failed. Wow, guys, that was awesome. We did 3 stars, wow. Oh, and we earned record level 6. Yeah, guys, awards. We earned record level 6, guys. Guys, it's not a record level 6. We earned record level 16, guys. We got a record level 16 and earned record level 16. I was wrong. It wasn't level. Let's get, I don't care. Two stars it is. All right, next one, next level. I think that is good. Now, that is a 3 stars, everybody. All right, hopefully we can get, oh. Aha! 3 stars will do it, guys. All right. I want to try to get a record. Action now. Oh, yeah, we completed. Oh, new record. Guys, we got a new record. All right, let's do this and push this. Oh, forgot that. Now! Oh my gosh! Great Britain completed, guys. Wow, guys, I'm gonna show you what we did in Great Britain. We got record level 16 and 19, guys, and we got 2 stars level 17, 3 stars, and 18 and 28. Now let's go to level 21. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, this is Greece, everybody. Oh. Okay, it's a cat. Oh wow, and that is a 2 stars, everyone. All right, guys, let's get to the. No! Dang it. Let's just get any star. Oh, okay. Let's just get a. Alright, got 1 star. Alright, guys, we got. Alright, 1 star. Alright, guys, we got 1 star, level 22. Ooh, wow, guys. Booby traps all over. Oh no! No! Dang it, guys. Dang. Okay. Come on. Land on the plat. Okay, we landed. Got it to land on the platform. Okay. All right, guys. 2 stars. On one of these are one time we just made it to there. I don't know why it keeps doing that, guys. But that is a 3, guys. 3 stars. Right. Okay. Wrote that. Okay. And one of these. We get to this. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now. Wow, everybody. That was awesome. Okay. Wow. Okay. Now. Wow. Grease completed. Wow. New record. Wow. 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 Guys, final one. Wow, guys. Greece completed. Final one, Spain, guys. Oh, guys. This is so good. We finished Greece, guys. Yeah, we finished Greece. No. Guys, we finished Greece. Great Britain, London, Tower Bridge. Wow. Wow, guys, we're almost done. We got 2 stars level 21, 1 star level 23. We got a record level 25. Wow, guys, we're almost done. Final one, Spain. We're going in. Oh, no! I didn't mean to do that. Ignore that. And that is a 3 stars. We're Master of. Why is there... guys, there's no... Why does it just say Master of? Let's just call it Master of Stars. We didn't... Wait, what the heck? I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Now. Dang it. Why did we have to do that? Guys, I didn't know why we did that. Oh yeah, 1 star. We got 1 star. And we'll take this 2 stars. All right. We can do this, guys. Only 3 levels left. Oh, okay. All right. Now. Dang it. Why, guys? Why? Why do we have to miss? Let's get that star up there. Now. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay. And now. Wow. Come on. Ah, yeah. Yes! We did it. 3 stars. Let's get that. Okay. Oh, we are an icebreaker. Break 100 blocks. And that will do it. 2 stars. Wow, 2 stars. That's cool. And now, final level. Final level, guys. Then we're done with this game. I can't wait to earn Handsome. And we're in Spain. Handsome. Complete all levels. Oh, improved result. We did it. Next level. We finished Cat Around Europe, guys. We did it. Congratulations, you finished the game. Collected stars 76 out of 90. Total score 154,556. Collected awards 12 out of 20. You can replay levels to improve your results. All right, everybody, we finished Cat Around Europe, and I want to show you what we did. Yep, level select. In Spain, we got 3 stars, level 26 and 28. We got 2 stars, level 27, 29. But we got record level 30. Got record level 1. Yep, well, this is what we did. Spain. Yep. Guys, that was awesome. We finished it. Oh, wow. Ooh, wow, that's awesome. We finished it, guys. Yay. Hooray, hooray, hooray. All right, guys. And we're reset game. We did not earn generous, but that's okay. I can earn it I can earn generous whenever I want to earn it, guys. But we did it. We finished it. And we also earned record level 16. Yeah. And yeah, we earned handsome we completed all the levels, guys. Wow. We did not earn almighty but I'll do it, but yeah, guys. All right, guys, that is it for all right, guys. Leave a comment down below what Catarone game we're going to do next, guys. And I will see you in the next Catarone video. Bye.